10 bad bitches in a mash. Wrist on Millie Rock.
Sorry, I'm cleaning up the kitchen and meal prepping this, but this is a finished product. It's real delicious, you feel me? I didn't really mash this that well, but bitch, listen, my arms were tired, and I don't have a food processor, so it tastes really, really good though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even fronting. Like, that shit is like, okay. But yeah, I'll eat this up and eat this tonight because I ain't cooking shit else. But y'all, thanks. Subscribe, you know, help a bit out. And go ahead and cook you some of this, honey, because it's bomb.com. Okay, bye. I love you. So, another update. I was able to make 5 meals because I could have meal prepped the one I'm about to eat now, but like I'm hungry. But yeah, I ran out of the cauliflower mash. It was only enough for like 4-ish. So I'll have only veggies under here, and then the patties and the gravy. And then I just top the broccoli off with cheese, except for that one, because I gave 2 patties on that because I don't have any cauliflower mash. And I put extra gravy. Well, the rest of the gravy on there. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe. Until next time, toodaloo.